Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to get SMTP details from Hostinger to set up your email with ease. Whether you're new to Hostinger or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you step by step through the process to ensure everything is set up perfectly. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Hostinger's website by typing in hostinger.com or hpanel.hostinger.com. This will take you to the main portal where you can manage all your Hostinger services. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials now, and you'll be ready to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the Email section within the control panel, usually found on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on Emails will bring you to a page where you can manage your email accounts, and this is where everything begins to take shape. From the list of your emails, select your preferred email address, whether it's an existing one or a newly created account. Next, focus on the Connect Apps and Devices section. This part is incredibly useful because it guides you through the configuration settings required to set up your email on various apps and devices, whether for your phone, desktop, or elsewhere. On this page, you'll find crucial configuration settings such as your email host, port numbers, and secure socket settings that you'll need for your email client. Make sure to jot these down or have them handy on another screen. Understanding these settings is essential as they ensure your email functions smoothly across all devices. And that's essentially it. Once you've got your email configuration settings ready, your Hostinger email should be up and running, ready for communication. Remember, these configuration settings are universal in ensuring smooth email transactions, so make sure you're entering them correctly. Congratulations on completing your email setup with Hostinger. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger support, known for being incredibly helpful. They can guide you through any technicalities, ensuring you're not stuck at any stage. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.